Yo, what's up everybody? It's 11 Treasures back with another video, and let me tell you, this one's gonna be huge. We're talking about travel, that thing that sets your soul on fire but can also feel like you're wrestling an alligator with a carry-on suitcase. But guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. Today we're diving deep into 11 travel hacks. And I'm not talking about some basic, overused tips. These are game changers, the kind of hacks that will streamline your adventures, save you from travel nightmares, and have you gliding through airports like a boss. Traveling can be a lot of fun, but it can also be stressful if you're not prepared. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about packing. Packing cubes are the answer. Imagine this: your suitcase, but organized. Each cube is like a mini drawer for your clothes, keeping your shirts separate from your pants, your socks from getting lost in the abyss. Trust me, once you go packing cubes, you'll never go back. Now that we've conquered the packing cube, let's talk about how you actually put your clothes in them. Forget folding, my friends. We're rolling. Rolling your clothes like little burritos not only saves space, but also prevents wrinkles. This is about looking sharp and feeling confident wherever you go. Imagine this: you're lost in a foreign city, about to capture the perfect sunset shot for the gram, and bam! Your phone dies. Avoid this travel tragedy with a portable charger. A dead phone is a useless phone. Keep that bad boy juiced up and ready to go at all times. Losing your passport or travel documents is a special kind of travel hell. But guess what's even worse? Not having a backup. Take pictures, scan, email them to yourself, whatever it takes to have digital copies of everything important. Think of it as an insurance policy for your peace of mind. Staying hydrated on your travels is crucial, but who wants to shell out $5 for a bottle of water at the airport? Not this guy. A reusable water bottle is your new best friend. Fill it up after security and you're good to go. Just saving the planet, one sip at a time. Roaming charges are the devil, but guess what's even more devilish? Being lost in a foreign country with no data. Enter Google Maps offline. Download the area you'll be exploring before you leave Wi-Fi range, and you're golden. Remember the days of printing out flight confirmations and hotel reservations? So archaic. Embrace the future with travel apps. From TripIt to Kayak to Google Flights, these apps are like having a personal assistant for your trip. They keep everything organized, send you real-time updates, and help you snag the best deals. Let's face it, airport security lines are the worst. But there's a way to bypass the chaos: TSA pre-check or global entry. Yes, it requires a little investment up front, but the time and stress you'll save are priceless. Imagine breezing through security, shoes on, laptop in your bag. International roaming charges are a scam, plain and simple. Get yourself a local SIM card at your destination. It's usually way cheaper and gives you the freedom to stay connected without worrying about a massive bill. Plus, it's a great excuse to up your Instagram game with those envy-inducing travel pics. Airport food is a dangerous game. It's expensive, it's usually unhealthy, and let's be honest, it rarely hits the spot. The solution? Your very own snack pack. Pack your favorite healthy snacks: nuts, granola bars, fruit, and you'll be prepared for anything. No more overpriced, greasy airport pretzels for you. Long flights can wreak havoc on your circulation. But fear not, fellow travelers. Compression socks are here to save the day. These magical socks may not be the most fashionable accessory, but they work wonders for improving circulation and preventing swelling. Trust me, your legs will thank you, especially after that 10-hour flight. Outro travel like a pro. There you have it, my friends. 11 travel hacks that will change the game, elevate your adventures, and have you conquering the world in style. Remember, travel is about embracing the unknown, pushing your boundaries, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So get out there, explore, and don't forget to document everything. The world is your oyster, and with these hacks in your back pocket, you're ready to shuck it wide open. Until next time, peace out.